What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday night, and we finished off with another amazing green day. Now, the market went up huge today. I don't want to show you how much it went up. Right now, this is futures pricing, but the market pretty much went up like 3% or in general, and it was an amazing bump from the low yesterday. So, with that said, if you remember from my last video, I sold some Microsoft puts near the end of the day, and then I sold the cover call for Fastly yesterday. So let's look at the performance of these options now. So the Microsoft 190 put I sold, expiring in less than 10 days, it's currently up 72% today. So in total, I'm up 69%, which is $156, and that's not even the top. Doing the top of the market price of Microsoft today, as you can see from the chart here, there's some big dip at the bottom, at the end of the day, because there was news coming out that TikTok may not sell its operations to the US. So because there's a lot of rumor that Microsoft was going to buy it and it's going to help the company. But with that news, I'm surprised it didn't drop even further. But as far as like Microsoft goes, it still was an amazing day, because if you look at the 5-minute charts, Microsoft opened at 202-ish, and then it just kept going all day long. It went as high as 214. So right now in the after hours, it's at 212, which is amazing. So if you look at this put here, I sold this put yesterday, and if you look at the theta, it's 0.14. So it's going to lose $14 tomorrow if Microsoft stays even, but if Microsoft goes up, it's going to go even further. So I might close this out at $200 profit. That's my goal right now. If it goes $200, I'm going to just take it, because there's actually one more week left of trading for this to fully realize its potential of $224 profit, but I'm not willing to risk all of that for another week. So I'm going to take profit at $200. That's the price target tomorrow, and I will likely close this at the market open tomorrow if we stay green. Now let's take a look at Fastly. What a day for Fastly. It was up $3.29. Now given this is Fastly, $3 may not seem a lot to you, but for me it's amazing, because I sold the cover call for 83.5 Fastly expiring this Friday. So right now this is in the money, and it's actually losing value, but that's fine with me, because as long as Fastly stays in this range and above 83.5, my shares are going to get called away, and I'll be taking the total premium of this $2.15 that I sold. That's $215 for Fastly. So I'll pocket the full premium, and then my Fastly shares get called away. I'll break even on that trade. And that plus the $80 premium I received a while ago gives me a $300 profit total in this Fastly wheel. So I'll be completing the wheel this Friday, provided that Fastly stays above 83.5. So wish me luck on that. Next stock is Rocket. Rocket Companies was a pretty swingy one. If you look at the charts, it went all the way up to around 25, almost 25, and then it just drops all the way down to 23-ish. So that's a pretty weird movement for me, and you know, I wish it was up even further and stays up there. But for me, I had a $22 put. I sold the $22 put expiring next Friday. So it went up like $65, but at the peak it went up like 100%. I mean, almost realized full profit on that. So I'm going to keep an eye out on this. But you know, as I said in my last video, I don't mind owning Rocket at $22 per share. So if I get a sign, I get a sign. I don't mind. But otherwise, I'm ready to take near full profit on this on $95. So pending the action tomorrow and Friday. Now let's go into some of my new positions today. I looked at Peloton today. Again, Peloton is just crazy. If you look at the daily charts, it just shook off the recent drop, and then just went from 71 all the way to 91 in like 2 days. So that's $20 increase in 2 days. So What I don't know was that, oh, there's an earnings in 21 hours. So that's something I messed up today when I sold Peloton puts, because I didn't know that it was an earning after hours tomorrow. So what can I do? My plan is to close this out tomorrow before the earnings, because I don't want to risk Peloton dropping because of earnings. But the thing is, I sold the 71.5 puts, which is way down here, right? So if Peloton does bad, I don't know if it will drop $20, which is almost 20%. But this is earnings. Again, it's a pretty big earnings. So my plan is tomorrow I'll watch Peloton to make sure that it stays up. It seems like it's doing well after hours. So if I can realize like maybe $100 profit for that, I'll be fine with that, you know. The point is, I'm not going to keep this stock, this option, through the earnings, because I don't want to risk that. So that's the plan for Peloton tomorrow. And now Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat went up pretty high today again. So it's pretty similar story as Peloton. It just keeps going up, and then it taper off a little bit, but it's still quite high from its high. So I sold the put for $126. So still a little too close to my liking, but I think this will be okay because this is gonna expire on Friday for only a $49 profit. So there's not much IV in this, not much premium in this, but you know, I figured it's a pretty good trade, and I hope we stay green tomorrow, and then I plan to close this out near the money instead of full profit potential. But maybe I might let it ride on Friday, just let it expire for full profit. So here's my trade today, and that was a Beyond Meat. Nope, that's a Rocket, Microsoft, Peloton, Beyond Meat. So if everything goes well, if my fastly covered call gets called away on Friday, and then all the other trades go well, so minus $23 here, I will have about $770 profit just for this week, which is a big profit in my opinion. So that's the game plan right now, and I hope I close all of these out in the green and nothing crazy happen tomorrow, and that's the best case scenario. So if you like my video and like to follow my trade, there's a link to my Excel sheet, my spreadsheet for all my trades, where you can see my live trades, you know, every day. It's in the description below. There's also a link to our Discord. You know, feel free to join and we can talk about our trades. And if you got questions, I'm happy to answer for you. Until next time, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.